Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how we can add a drop shadow to text. Here on the screen we can see we've got some text, and the text I'm using today is chunk 5. To add a drop shadow we just need to head up to effects, and there's a couple of ways we can do this. The first way is we can click on the style option lift, and if we select that it adds a bit of a shadow underneath and it makes it look as if the text is raised off the screen. This works really well if you've got an image behind it, say a picture, and you want to add some text on top, and it just makes it look as if they are both separate and the text is very separate to the image. So that's a great way of doing that. The second way is to click on shadow, and as we can see now it's put underneath a grey shadow. First thing you can do if you wish is you can change the colour of the shadow. You can choose any of the pre-selected colours under here, or you can go to the colour wheel and you can select any colour that you want and add in a hex code if you know a specific colour. You've also got a few options here of how you can adjust the shadow. So the first one is the offset. So if we slide the marker across, we can obviously see now that if we slide it to the right, it's obviously increasing the offset, and therefore the shadow underneath is getting larger. And we can slide it to the left and obviously it looks as if there's hardly any shadow at all. The next one is the direction, and this is basically you can change the direction of the shadow. So we can slide it across and we can see that the shadow has now moved up to the top, and if we slide it again we can see it'll almost go a full circle. So that's a great way of seeing which direction looks best for the design that you're creating and where you actually want your drop shadow to be. The next option is blur. Again, if we slide the marker, we can see here that it's just making the shadow look very blurred in the background. But again, this is a great way to enhance a design if you don't want a particularly obvious drop shadow. And the final option is transparency. If we move the marker across, we can reduce the transparency so the drop shadow disappears, or we can increase the transparency, and obviously that's going to make the drop shadow a lot darker underneath our text. And these are two great ways that you can add drop shadows to text to enhance your designs.